Morning everybody, and we are back, and the market seems to be holding on further. Once again, the Nifty is currently up by 138 points, so further some kind of buying is happening. We have just crossed the 17,800 mark on spot Nifty, while futures are currently at 17,895. The premium seems to have shrunk a bit, but simultaneously it seems to be that the initial take on the budget that has been presented now seems to be positive. We like earlier mentioned, there was a good amount of movement that was getting through on the railway stock, and now we are currently seeing uh, a good amount of movement happening in some of the capital goods likes of ABB, Siemens. Then we also have BBL and things like that. Now, certain things that have come through, railway gets the highest ever outlay in the budget. So while the market was expecting somewhere close to around 1.8 lakh crores, the outlay that has been put through in the budget is around 2.5 lakh crore, 2.4 lakh crores to be precise. And therefore PSU railway stocks likes of IRCTC, then IRFC, RVNL, IRCON, RITES, and some of the stocks like what we just mentioned, likes of ABB, Siemens, BEML and L&T are back on track. They have once again started moving through. So these are the positive things that we are currently seeing through. Important update is that the government has also streamlined around 6,000 crores for the fisheries sector, and which would be in a way positive for the likes of Avanti Feeds, Waterbase, Kings Infra, and so on and so forth. Certainly some positive cues that we are currently getting from the market. Now simplifying the eKYC process is what they are currently looking at, and like mentioned in the budget speech, we could see a single entity that manages the KYC across financial sector. So it may not be that every authority is required to maintain and upkeep the records of the clients. In a way, it would be a single entity, very much similar to like a PAN card that we have, or something like the Aadhaar card. So it would be pretty much beneficial on that. The news just came is that it would be that the government would be investing close to around 350 billion Indian rupees for energy transition and energy security. So energy stocks would once again remain in focus. So that is the update as of now, as we come close to 1 hour of the budget speech. So still a bit of things that we are currently seeing, especially on the futures and option side. More so on the option side, we are seeing a good amount of call writing happening at the 18,000 level. It would be worthwhile to see whether the level really gets taken out, and if at all it gets taken out, we would see a good amount of short covering, which could probably take the Nifty higher by around 400-450 points or so. Energy transition outlay would be around 35,000 crores, of which green hydrogen production target would be 5 MMT by 2030, and outlay of 20,700 crores for renewable energy plant, which is to be set up in Ladakh. So Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh also seeing some kind of exposure getting through. And having said that, now let's take a break, short break, and we would be once again back at around 12 noon, and hopefully by that time we would start seeing some movement in the markets. As of now, like I said while I am signing off, the Nifty is currently at 17,800, and Bank Nifty seems to be holding fort, up by around 650 points or so. So till the next time.